Why does my HVAC system whistle? Your HVAC system whistles because air is being squeezed through a space that is too small for it, and this is usually caused by a dirty air filter, closed or blocked vents, or leaky ducts somewhere in your home. Think of your HVAC system like a big straw that blows air through your house. When that straw gets a little bit blocked, the air has to squeeze through a tiny gap, and just like blowing through a tight opening on a whistle, it makes a high-pitched sound. Most people do not know that a dirty filter is the #1 cause of this, and it can happen in as little as 30 days if you have pets or live in a dusty area. Another thing many folks miss is that closing too many vents in unused rooms to save energy actually raises the air pressure inside your ducts, which forces air out through small gaps and creates that same whistling noise. Your best first step is to check your filter and replace it if it looks gray or clogged, since a clean filter lets air move freely without a fight. If the whistle continues after that, it might mean a duct has come loose or cracked somewhere behind your walls or in your attic. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming the whistle will just go away on its own, but ignoring it can force your system to work harder and raise your energy bill over time, so it is worth checking within the first week you notice it. Another misconception is thinking that closing vents in rooms you do not use saves money, when really it just builds up pressure and can damage your system, so it is better to keep all vents open and let air flow evenly. A lot of people also forget that whistling can come from the return air vent being too small or blocked by furniture, so make sure nothing is sitting in front of it and give it room to breathe. If you need help with a project like this, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.